Guys, Oscar, welcome in this my new video. And today I'm gonna share with you a very special topic and a very important topic. You should know this topic. So before we jump our topic, I have a request for all of you. If you are someone who new in this my channel, please subscribe this channel and share this video and hit the like button also. Okay, thank you. So let's jump our topic. What is our topic today? Today's topic is don't memorize only vocabulary and words, but use them also. Yes, again, don't memorize the word and vocabulary only, but it is use them also in your sentence making by making sentences. So I have seen a lot of learners. I have seen a lot of English learners. They, if they want to speak English, so before they start speaking, they memorize vocabulary a lot, and they memorize a lot of vocabulary and words. They start before they starting their speaking journey. So I want to share with you what memorizing the word. It's very important thing and very well. It is good if you memorize the word. But my friends, if you only memorize the word and you don't use them, you can't improve your English. You can't improve your speaking skills. Because if you only memorize the word, you will forget after 2 days, 3 days. Yeah, because you don't didn't because why will you forget? Because you don't use them those words. So first of all, if you only memorize the words, that is gonna not gonna be help. So what should you do and what you will have to do? You have to memorize first, and then you have to use them in your making sentences. Because without making sentences, our mind can't catch the word and can't remember our mind that those words for a long time. But if we use those words by making sentences and we make frame sentences using those words, then we will memorize and we can remember those words for a long time. So don't just only memorize the word, but use also. And when you start to use, if you start using those words by making sentences, you will memorize that word for a long time. So what I'm going to share, what I want to share with you, try memorize the word. It's very important for speaking English language. It's very important. I also recommend for for memorizing the word. So but I'm just not telling that. I'm just not saying only memorize the word, but try to use them in making sentences. When you and let me share honestly, if you make sentences, it's gonna be very helpful for you, and for it will help you for improving English speaking skills. So don't just memorize the word, but use them. So, there are so many students. They know a lot of vocabulary. They know thousands of words. But they go to speak, they get hesitate, they get stuck, and they hesitate when they speak. Why? Because they only memorized the word and they didn't use those words in his speaking by speaking and making sentences. So don't only memorize the word, but use them also by speaking and frame sentences. Use them make by making sentences. And if you make sentences, you will memorize that word and you will not stuck when you speak. Well, you will not stuck and you will not get stuck when you speak. So yes, memorize the word and use them also. Okay, thank you. If you if you got this video helpful, and so please subscribe this channel and like the hit button also, and share this video with your friend. Okay, salam alaikum.